Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. So today I'm going to be addressing a very important issue regarding the NELFUND student loan and the FSB scholarship. So stick to this video and watch to the end. This is a very important information that I'm going to pass to you concerning these two schemes that are running for Nigerian students. So if this is your first time of coming across my videos, please do well to hit the subscribe button and check out other important videos available for you. Make sure you are in the WhatsApp group, and the link is going to be in the description of this video. Make sure you join for updates, beneficial updates for you. We share a lot of opportunities and the rest. So regarding the NELFUND student loan and the FSB scholarship, of recent, this FSB scholarship is the scholarship board, they're having their usual verification, fiscal verification for all institutions across the country. So the beneficiaries have to go to their respective schools or the school closest to them for fiscal verification with their documents, and then there is a form that you're going to fill, and that form now currently has NELFUND status, where you indicate whether you are already a beneficiary with NELFUND or not. And this is where the issue comes. Pay good attention. A lot of people are asking questions if they are beneficiaries of NELFUND, if they will still be allowed to benefit from a federal scholarship board. And I hear a lot of people say that stuff like this one is a loan and this other one is scholarship. It's more like grant for you to go through your school with, to support your schooling and all that. But now I want to draw our attention to something very important. Make sure you pay good attention, and if possible, share this video to those who are concerned. It is going to be helpful to you. Now, this is federal government stuff. NELFUND is federal government, and Federal Scholarship Board is federal government. And now you know that federal government does not allow any citizen to benefit anything that has to do with federal government twice, especially when it has to do with something that is centered at a particular thing. It's true that people are saying that this one is loan and this one is grant, and there is no way they can mix it up. But now I need you to understand something. Both NELFUND student loan and Federal Scholarship Board, that's the federal scholarship, both of them are centered at supporting Nigerian students through their study in school. Now, if you are going through university or polytechnic, once it's federal or state that is verified, or college of education, and you meet the requirements, you can apply, and you'll be supported. For NELFUND, you'll be paid, your school fees will be paid directly to the school, and then on monthly basis, if you applied for upkeep on monthly basis, they'll be sending you 20,000 naira to your personal account to help you, like to support your education. But now the truth is that they say that at the end of the day that you are going to pay back. Now, when are you going to pay back? They said about 2 years after your NYC. That is when you are going to begin to pay back. And now there are a lot of other benefits that are attached to it. I won't be stating all of them in this video, but then you can check out other videos on this platform, and the next ones I'm going to upload, because I'm going to analyze this NELFUND students loan. I'm going to analyze it and give you every detail you need to know about it, and every benefit you need to know about it that it actually has, that is actually offers you as a Nigerian student. Now, that's it on the side of NELFUND. Now, FSB on his own side is also centered at supporting your education. This one is that people who qualify for Federal Scholarship Board, like once you reach those requirements, you apply, you take the test, and you are accepted, you are given that award letter. You will be paid on yearly basis a certain amount, whether it's undergraduate or master's category. Now, for that Federal Scholarship Board, the scholarship, or the academic grant, you are going to be paid a certain amount. I think they lately increased this or something. Yeah, I know a certain amount, of course, hundreds of thousands that you're going to receive from federal government, but this one is going directly to your bank account. So for every session in your academics, they are going to pay you that amount, and you're going to use it to support yourself, both school fees, upkeep, and everything that has to do with your academics. So they will pay it directly into your own account, and you will be the one to distribute it however you want to distribute it for your academics. That is it on the aspect of Federal Scholarship Board. So make sure you join our WhatsApp group. The link is in the description of this video. Benefits like this, opportunities like this will be educating you and enlightening you, and still bring to your notice when the application is ongoing, you will apply and become a beneficiary. So these two things are all focused at supporting your education. It is true that NELFUND is loan, while FSB is scholarship grant, but now two of them are coming from the federal government. Understand it. Now federal government may not allow you to be a beneficiary of NELFUND and also be a beneficiary of Federal Scholarship Board. Understand it, because two of them are centered at supporting your academics. They can't be giving you that support from NELFUND as a loan, irrespective of the fact that it is actually a loan. They cannot be giving you that support on the aspect of NELFUND and still give you support on the aspect of Federal Scholarship Board. This is just the analysis. Sit down and think of it. Anybody that is telling you that it doesn't matter, you can receive from this side and receive from this side as well, you are actually deceiving yourself. So I'm just trying to be plain to you, and I'm telling you the truth about it. When you understand this stuff now is when the payment begins for Federal Scholarship Grant. If the scholarship grant payment begins, of course, once the verification is done throughout this week now, the payment is going to come in. Once they begin to pay now, you see that they will filter a lot of people. They will likely, I will not say they will likely filter a lot of people that are already beneficiaries of NELFUND. So even if maybe you want to benefit from Federal Scholarship Board, you have to forfeit that of NELFUND. And so if you are going for the physical verification, do not accept that you have applied for NELFUND, and don't apply for NELFUND. That will enable you to get the grant though. But if you are already benefiting from NELFUND, it means that they may not pay you for Federal Scholarship Board. Think about it and understand the depth of what I'm actually saying here. When the payment begins, that's when we will know those people that agreed that they applied for NELFUND and their NELFUND is active. We are going to see. Join our WhatsApp group and you follow up with updates. You see, a lot of people will be complaining about not receiving it, because I know they are trying to filter a lot of things out. It's true that they are making things easier and better, but they are being careful in the process as well. So don't think that you are smart. You will have to benefit from this side and benefit from this side as well. So what I'm saying in essence is that if you want to be a beneficiary of the Federal Scholarship Grant and you want to be paid, during this verification, do not accept the fact that you are a NELFUND beneficiary. It may affect you, but if you wish to accept, kindly accept. Then, if you want to go with NELFUND own, go with NELFUND. Of course, that one they are going to pay your school fees and still be giving you upkeep throughout the year, throughout the session. But this one will come as a grant. The whole money will be paid to your account at once. So you have to choose one between the two. That is just the truth about it. Don't let anybody deceive you, or maybe have to, feed you with some kind of lies concerning this stuff. That is the truth about it. Two of them are centered at supporting your academic journey. So you must have to choose one. That is the truth. And it's going to manifest. You are going to come back to this video at the end of the day and testify that this thing I actually shared with you is the truth. So make sure you share this video with others, join our WhatsApp group, and subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to be dropping a lot of opportunities and still guide you in the process. Bye for now. See you in our next video.